Students from Albury's Scots School are about to embark on the trip of a lifetime to Scotland. The school's pipe band will be the only one in Australia to perform at this year's Royal Edinburgh Military Tattoo.
It's one of the most famous music festivals in the world. And these Scots School students will get a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to perform in front of thousands at this year's Royal Edinburgh Military Tattoo. The pipe band will play on the esplanade at Edinburgh's iconic castle, and they've been preparing for the past 18 months.
In Edinburgh we're going to play 25 shows over 5 weeks, and we're going to be playing with all the other bands from around the world in Scotland and all the Highland dancers from around the world, so it'll be pretty cool.
It will be an action-packed few weeks for the musicians who still have to study while they're overseas and perform every day.
Some days are 14 hours of practice without probably an hour break for lunch. And
they've been training several times a week to learn 30 different tunes.
I'm nervous, I'm excited, all these different emotions, I don't know, but I just know that it's a good opportunity. I've got to snatch it up when it comes.
The band will perform a Sounds of Scotland concert in Albury on the 22nd of July to raise money for the trip. Bridget Rollison, Prime7 News.